Hi there, Jason here for the Agbayon channel and TMS Talks. We are outdoors and we got overtaken by the dark. It's dark now, and what to do when you are overtaken by the dark? Well, for some people they need mosquito repellents, but you know what, when the trail is safe, the dark is safe. You can be one with the sounds of nature. Let's rest in here, listen to the sounds of nature. Right. And I have here a side carry. Anyway, a ginunting, a Bicol ginunting with Maravical scabbard. So the dark has overtaken us, but what do? We keep on hiking. Thanks for joining me. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. See you later. Thanks.